Joel, can I ask you a few questions?
What?
Hey Joel, can I ask you a few questions?
I don't know anything, sir.
Just a couple of questions.
I don't know anything.
You probably think I'm a fake cop.
I never said that.
Okay. Do you look like fake to you?
But it looks well, man. That's well.
Okay, that's cool. Go ahead and touch it.
Nah, man, it's okay, man.
It's okay, man. Go ahead and touch
Nah,
it.
it's okay.
Go ahead, man. Touch it. I asked you to. Go ahead.
What I do, sir? What did I do?
It looked like you reached for my gun. You see? Look at the back of the car. They have a camera right here. It's recording. So I'm gonna be call my partner to block the camera. Anything you cannot do, and I'm gonna be ask my partner to shoot you.
All right, who is this?
I told you I don't know anything.
Is that so? Who is this you're talking to?
Trolley.
That doesn't tell me anything. Does his friends go him by?
Oh no, man. Oh no.
When I count to 4, if you don't answer the question, and I'm gonna be make my partner to wish his gun and shoot you. 1, 2, 3.
Gonna do it.
See, that wasn't so hard, was it?
You know what? Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Man, thank you for the cooperation, man. Dover PD, we will reward you, man. We really appreciate your help, man. Have a good day, sir. Take care, man.